Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you have an Ember mug, then this is gonna be your new best friend. This is the Ember Mug sipping lid or slider lid. This thing is awesome and it has totally improved my Ember mug experience. So I am clumsy and I'm always spilling things, and this helps me to have less of a risk of spilling my coffee. What you do is just simply place this on top of your Ember mug. I have a 14-ounce mug. You can also get the lid for the 10-ounce mugs as well. And you just pop it on, and there is a rubber gasket around the rim. And once it is on there, then you are good to go. It is easy to clean. It also comes with 3 different color sliders, so you can customize it. And it just works great. I love that it also helps to keep my beverage warm for longer and extends the battery life on the Ember. And I also just love that I can take little sips and less worry about spillage. It's just overall really enhanced my Ember experience. So if you've got an Ember mug, I would definitely recommend this little sipping lid. That's my point of view.